Welcome to today's video where I'll guide you on how to change HTTP to HTTPS in Hostinger for 2024. If you've ever wondered how to make your website more secure, you're in the right place. Switching from HTTP to HTTPS not only enhances your site's security but also boosts its credibility with visitors. HTTPS encrypts data exchanged between users and your website, which is crucial for handling sensitive information. So let's dive into how to achieve this on Hostinger. First things first, navigate to the Hostinger website. You can do this by typing the Hostinger URL into your web browser's search bar and hitting Enter. Once on the home page, locate the login option and click on it to access your account. If you don't have an account yet, it's a perfect time to set one up. After logging in, you'll be directed to Hostinger's cpanel, the control hub, where you'll manage your hosting services and domains. Now, let's find the domain we want to secure. In your cpanel, locate the Domains section and click on it. This will display your entire domain portfolio. You'll see a list of all domains associated with your Hostinger account. Choose the domain you wish to configure by clicking on it, and you'll be taken to the domain management page, where you can adjust settings specific to each domain. Next, it's time to enable forwarding from HTTP to HTTPS. Enable free SSL certificate. Hostinger provides a free SSL certificate for all plans. Go to the Websites tab, click Manage on your website, and scroll down to the Security section. Click on SSL, then choose Install SSL. Once the SSL is active, you'll need to redirect all traffic from HTTP to HTTPS. In the same dashboard, go to advanced.htaccess if you're using WordPress or custom site, and add this code at the top. Now, open your website in a new browser tab and make sure it loads with https://. You should also see a padlock icon which confirms your site is secure. That's it. You've successfully converted your site from HTTP to HTTPS on Hostinger. Implementing HTTPS not only enhances your website security, but can also improve your site's SEO and build trust among users. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. It's a simple yet impactful change that greatly benefits your site's security and reliability. If you have any questions or would like to see more tutorials like this, feel free to reach out or leave a comment below. Thanks for watching and happy blogging!